And this article is talking about two concepts, one is related to cyclogenesis and causes, and second one is about vase, warm, arctic and cold Eurasian. You need to learn these two concepts, the fundamentals are important. However, these are in a stage of observation by the scientists, they are not concluding that this is the reason behind the change or shift of these cyclonic storms from Arabian waters to Atlantic part. Coming to this part, cyclogenesis, the cause, here sea surface temperatures, the one cause that is causing the cyclone, the forming the cyclone, and second one is about heat content, the capacity of heat retention by this oceanic water, and third one is surface movement of the wind and also movement of the wind towards upper atmosphere. These are also causes for the formation of the cyclone, and that is what they are talking about. And second aspect is about, instead of focusing on predicting the change of climate by 2100, we need to better understand our neighborhood, natural variability. Natural variability means the changing climate pattern without having any anthropogenic activity. Okay. So, you need to understand that natural cycle of changing atmospheric belts across the world, that is also important. Therefore, scientists are unable to conclude which is major cause, whether it is cause of anthropogenic activity or it is very natural and intrinsic in nature due to the shift of cyclones from Arabian waters in 1990s to the present times towards atmosphere, that means Atlantic one. Here the concept is, second concept in the form of MCQ we are reading. The first concept is about cyclogenesis, and second, that is very easy to understand, the formation causes for the formation of cyclone, and second one is quite difficult to understand. Basic fundamentals are important to understand ITCZ and pressure gradient force and pressure belts also. Here warm Arctic, cold Eurasian is primarily a pattern primarily driven by variations in atmospheric circulation phenomenon. Variations in atmospheric circulation phenomenon driven by which atmospheric circulation? Here North Atlantic oscillation. Why have we chosen such a question? Because Indian Ocean dipole, which has come several times in newspapers, therefore UPSC has chosen such a question, Indian Ocean dipole, and El Nino was also asked by UPSC. Kindly remember. So, warm Arctic, cold Eurasian pattern is primarily driven by North Atlantic oscillation. So, what is this oscillation? Very simple, here high pressure belt, here low pressure one, from the movement of the wind from highs to low, this subtropical highs to subpolar lows. This is a basic oscillation which takes place, that is named as North Atlantic oscillation. Simple, the concept is simple, that is named as North Atlantic oscillation. That oscillation may be shifted due to the changing climate, right, and the axis of the earth is tilted, and this may be causing the shifting of this ITCZ, intertropical convergence zone. These basic concepts are important, we are unable to explain all the concepts, please remember those ITCZ, it can easily be understood by you, and also various atmospheric belts and spread across the world. This is one such atmospheric belt, North Atlantic oscillation, this is named as. And here upper atmospheric level, the wind is moving from highs to lows. At the lower atmospheric level, here you will be having over the surface high pressure and it is moving towards this place, right. This belt is known as North Atlantic oscillation, and coming to this North Atlantic oscillation, which is causing and driving this Arctic one, warmer one, and also this Eurasian part, colder one, because this the wind, the upper atmospheric movement, that is the wind which is moving from highs to low, during that time the jet stream may drive it towards the right, and it may, the cold breezes which are going towards this Iceland part may be driven towards right, and also the Coriolis force which may drive it towards right may cause Eurasian part much colder, Eurasian part, and Eurasian part is also in a stage of continentality. Therefore, and at the same time this warm Arctic Ocean, this part is becoming warmer because of this warm Arctic is rapidly losing the sea ice, okay, rapid sea ice loss. This is also causing such kind of warm causing Arctic part warmer. So, these are the conditions that are related to vase, warm Arctic and cold Eurasian. In a simpler terms I have described you. Please go through this one, because we have uploaded the PDF also, and you need to do a little bit of research. And this one it has also mentioned that this pattern results in warming over Barents, Kara seas and cooling over Central Eurasian. Okay, what is this Barents Kara Sea? I have displayed you in the map here. It is Barents Sea and Kara Sea, which is in the midst of these Scandinavian countries and also this Russian part, but it is mostly located in the Arctic Ocean part. Okay, and you please remember Leptev Sea and Bering Strait, please find out where it is in the map, it is mentioned in the comment section too. And when sun and rain mingle, it is with respect to what? Rainbow formation. This is a basic physics related phenomenon, it can be understood. The rain drops which are reflected here, which are shown